Okay students, today we are going to see exercise 6.5 question number 7. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. So there is a rhombus. So let me draw a rhombus A, B, C, D. The diagonals intersect at a point O. So what is given? ABCD is a rhombus, diagonals AC and BD intersect at a point O. What we have to prove? So given you will be writing. Given is ABCD is a rhombus and AC, BD or its diagonals which intersect at O. So what we have to prove? AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square. Sum of the squares of the sides of the rhombus. So from the statement you have to write sum of the squares of the sides. What are the sides? AB, BC, CD, DA. Square. So AB square, BC square, CD square, DA square and its sum. That's why plus symbol I have written in between, which is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. What are the diagonals? AC and BD. Square it and sum it. So sum of the squares of its diagonals. So we have to prove this is equal to this. Okay, now first let us take in triangle AOB. So let us take this triangle AOB. Proof in triangle AOB. So we know diagonals are perpendicular in a rhombus. So if this is perpendicular, opposite to perpendicular will be the hypotenuse. So this is a triangle. See, AOB is a triangle and this is perpendicular. So this AB will be the hypotenuse. So AB square is equal to AO square plus OB square. What is AO? AO is nothing but half of this AC. Diagonals are perpendicular, bisector and a rhombus. You should know the property which you have learnt in 8th standard. So AO is nothing but half of AC and similarly BO is nothing but half of BD. So AB square is equal to half of AC the whole square plus half of BD the whole square. So AB square is equal to 1 by 4 AC square plus 1 by 4 BD square. Okay, 1 by 2 when you square becomes 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 AC when you square AC square. Similarly here 1 by 2 when you square 1 by 4 BD when you square which is BD square. Now 4 is common here. So combine the numerator. 1 AC square equal to 1 AC square plus 1 BD square whole divided by 4. 4 you cross multiply this side. So 4AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. 4AB square can be written as, you can split this 4AB square as 1AB square plus 1AB square plus 1AB square plus 1AB square 4 times. Okay. So 1AB square plus 1AB square plus 1AB square plus 1AB square. 4AB square which is equal to AC square plus BD square. Now since in a rhombus all the sides are equal, no, in a rhombus all the sides are equal. So this AB square you write as it is. Instead of AB you can write BC. Here instead of this AB you can write CD. And this instead of this you can write DA. Since all the sides are equal, so you can write this AB square as BC square and here CD square and here DA square. We got this left hand side and write this right hand side as it is. AC square plus BD square, hence proved. Very easily you can prove this. Okay. So now next question. Next there is a figure. In the given figure, A, B, C, this is perpendicular and this is perpendicular and this is perpendicular. So point O is the interior of the triangle ABC, OD perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AC and OF perpendicular to AB. So we have to show two conditions, that is OA square, given you can copy from the question, a triangle ABC in which OD perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AC and OF perpendicular to AB. That and all you can copy from the question itself. And to prove that also you can copy from the question. What is to prove? OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Okay, so now for proving this, let me write the second part. Okay, first let me prove the first part, then let me prove the second part. Okay, so now construction. To prove this, I am going to construct certain things. That is, I am going to join this OA, OB, OC. Okay, so join OA, OB and OC. So proof. For the first part, in triangle AOF. So you take this triangle AOF. Okay, this is perpendicular. So this F is perpendicular, no? So opposite to this will be the hypotenuse. So OA square, Pythagoras theorem. OA square is equal to OF square plus AF square by Pythagoras theorem. Square and the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So from this, how will you find AF? So AF square is equal to OA square minus OF square. We need AF, this part, AF square. Okay, AF square, because here right hand side AF square we need, no? Similarly, can you find out BD square easily? See, AF means in AF na OA, OF. அதே மாதிரி similarly இப்போ BD வேணும்னா என்ன பண்ணலாம்? OB square minus OD square ஈஸியாக எழுதிக்கலாம். ஓகே, similarly இப்போ CE வேணும்னா CE square வேணும்னா OC square minus OE square. Actually we have to take the other triangles and we will be proving that I have written directly. So here AOF triangle, here in triangle BOD, here in triangle, what are the triangles? COE, in triangle COE. By Pythagoras theorem you will be getting this part direct. Okay, now you have to add all these three, this. When you add all those things, here also when you add all those things you will be getting OA square plus OB square plus OC square, all are plus, no? OA square plus OB square plus OC square and minus OD square. You can write in the order OD, OE, OF. Here also minus OD, minus OE, minus OF. That also you can write minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. Here you add this right hand side AF square plus BD square plus CE square. So we got the first proof. Okay, so now what is our second proof? AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. So this AF, BD, CE already we have here, isn't it? So from the first proof, now you should combine the left hand side to get this AE, CD, BF. AE means you have to combine this OA and OE. So combine this OA square minus OE square. Then we need CD. CD means we have to combine this OC square minus OD square. Then you have to combine this OB and OF. OB square minus OF square. Okay, now write this right hand side as it is. What is OA minus OE? OA minus OE is nothing but AE. OA square minus OE square is nothing but what? AE square. As we wrote here, no? So AE, OO common. So AE you write. Actually this is also by Pythagoras theorem only. Here OC, OD means CD. Omit the 2O. O is the center point. OB, OF means what? BF. Which is equal to what is in the right hand side? AF square plus BD square plus CE square. You will be getting the proof very easily. Okay, next coming to question number 9. Question number 9, a ladder 10 meter long. So let ABC be the triangle. This is a ladder. A ladder is 10 meter long and window is 8 meter above the ground. Here there is a window. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. This is the base of the wall. This is the foot of the ladder. Okay. So this is a ladder. In the distance length, in the distance we have to find out. Similarly, by using Pythagoras theorem, always you know window will be perpendicular. So in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is 10 square is equal to 8 square plus BC square. 100 minus 64. 8 square is 64. Now when you bring this side becomes minus 64, which is equal to BC square. So when you subtract 36 is equal to BC square, 6 is equal to BC. So BC is nothing but 6 centimeter. Distance of the foot of the ladder from base of the wall is how much? 6 meter. Okay, similarly by using Pythagoras theorem only you will be solving the other problems also. We will be seeing the other problems in the next class. Thank you.